In the previous video we have seen how to start using Chat GPT inside Microsoft Word by adding an add-in tool called Spellbook. The link of that video is available in the details section of this video. Today we will review some examples on how to utilize Spellbook in a sample document. Here we have an article about air pollution. First, let's ask Chat GPT to generate a better title for this article that could help rank quickly on Google search, as follows. Can you suggest a title for this article which is Google SEO friendly? We can insert the new title in the place of the old one by selecting the old title and clicking on Insert at Cursor. Now, let's try to restructure the contents of the human source section into one paragraph. That's it. Now, let's change the style on the second section into an academic style. Seems good to go. Let's try to have a better conclusion for this article. Instead of asking a full question, we can use Spellbooks and build commands called rewrite and then only write more detailed. Finally, let's ask ChatGPT to write a summary about the article in 200 words. As you can see, you can use ChatGPT freely inside Microsoft Word, thanks to Spellbook plugin. More similar guides and tutorials on the way, therefore subscribe, like, and write your suggestions in the comments section for future tutorials. Bye for now.